Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian downtown this morning, just having a coffee at the Vault. What a great place to start the day off. Hey, today you're going to hear a lot of us talking about interest rates going down. Bank of Canada did announce that, down to 3 from 3.25. And some people thinking that's a reason to jump into the market if you're a buyer. The reason you're in the real estate market if you're a buyer is one word, and that's confidence. It's not interest rates. You either feel confident about your job, about your partner, about your future. How do things look for you? How do you feel? If you feel confident about things that are going on in your life, then you're going to go ahead and move forward. If the interest rate's 3, good for you. That's terrific. It's better than a 3.25. I get that. But if you're not feeling confident, then regardless of the interest rates, it's not a good time to buy. So figure that out first. And if you'd like some more help on that, reach out anytime, of course, at 250-616-3641. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.